Hello, my name is Chloé Charette and I have been studying nursing for 3 years at Collège Montmorency. In this program, we learn how to take care of sick people according to their disease. We learn specific treatment for specific disease and how to detect them. Healthline is a very great website for students in nursing because it can help to find a disease with only knowing the symptoms. It can also help to understand the disease and it can help you to understand better the human body. So to go on the website, you write the URL www.healthline.com in the address bar, and it will lead you directly to the website. So that's what we are going to do. When you're on the website, you can search a disease in the searching bar on the top right corner of the screen, right here, and we will search hypertension. As you can see, if you scroll down a little bit, you have description of what hypertension is, and it's very great because you have a lot of different description, so it gives you a better idea of what hypertension is. It's very useful for students in nursing because sometimes you don't know what a disease is, and it's difficult to help someone with a disease that you don't know. So now we are going back to the main page, and we'll scroll down with the scroll bar to go search a disease with only the symptoms. So right here, you have the symptom checker. We will go on the tab. As an example, we will write fever, and it will show us which disease can be associated with that symptom, and it will explain also what the disease is. So fever. We have here what causes fever, and there's 220 possible conditions that can cause you fever. They are all down there, and for each condition you have a little description of what it is. It's great to have this option on the website because I don't know any other website that gave this option. It's good to have this when you are studying in nursing because a lot of people ask for help when they know that you are studying in nursing, and sometimes it's difficult to know what they have because we are not doctors, so it's great to have this website to help us finding their problems and to help with them after that. So one of the things that you can do with this website is exploring the human body by system. So we will go to the main page, and we'll go at the same place that you have the symptom checker, and there's another tab that is explore the human body, so we will click on it. It will lead us to another page with the system of the human body right here. So if we click on the nervous system, we can see what it is and which part of the body is included in this system. So there's the description of the nervous system and the body part that is included in the system. If we click on the brain, it will explain what it is, its function, and many more information. So here's what the brain is, and there's many other information about the brain. It's very useful for a nursing student because it's very important to know how the body works to understand the disease and the treatment that we give. So I hope that this website will help you as much as it helps me. Bye, and thank you for watching.